Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of files in OneDrive Cloud. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser by heading to onedrive.com and signing into your account. Once the login process finishes, you'll be directed straight to your OneDrive dashboard where you can manage all your cloud files and folders. Now, to transfer ownership of your files, start by navigating to your left navigation menu. Here you'll want to click on the Shared menu option. This section is where OneDrive organizes all the files you're sharing with others and files that others have shared with you. Once you click on Shared, you'll see two tabs appear at the top. One tab is labeled Shared with You, and the other is labeled Shared by You. Go ahead and click on the Shared by You tab. This is important because it displays all the files that you're currently sharing with other users, giving you a clear view of what you have control over. From the list of files displayed here, locate the specific file you wish to change ownership on. Once you've found it, click on the three-dot icon next to the file. This icon is usually positioned in the middle of the row and opens up additional options for managing that file. After clicking it, a context menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this list of options, select Manage Access. This option is crucial as it controls who can view, edit, or own your file. Once you click on Manage Access, a new window will open up showing you the current access settings for that particular file. In this window, look carefully near the Close button at the top, and you'll notice a small human icon. This icon represents your Grant Access menu, which allows you to add new users or change permissions. Go ahead and click on that human icon to proceed. After clicking it, a Grant Access field will appear on your screen. This field is where you'll enter the contact information of the person you want to transfer ownership to. Simply type in the email address of the person you wish to grant ownership rights to. Make sure the email is correct to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once you've entered the email, click on the Grant Access button to finalize the process. This will officially transfer ownership of the file to the new user, giving them full control over it. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your OneDrive file to another user. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.